Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with We Work Remotely Pro step by step clearly. To register with We Work Remotely Pro, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the We Work Remotely homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In option in the upper right corner. Click on Sign In to access the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password to log in. If you don't have an account, look for the Register option on the login page. Click on Register to proceed with creating a new account. You will be directed to the registration form. Fill in your first name and last name in the designated fields. Next, enter your email address, ensuring it is valid and accessible. Create a strong password according to the specified guidelines. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Review the terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Once all fields are filled out correctly, click the Create Account button. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This will redirect you back to the We Work Remotely site. Once verified, log in with your email and password. Complete your profile by adding any relevant information requested. This may include your skills, experience, and work preferences. Finally, save your profile and you are now registered with We Work Remotely Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.